For over 30 years, SuperKlean Washdown Products has been supplying the most prestigious food and beverage companies worldwide with the finest hot water sanitation equipment. SuperKlean's latest catalog and brochure details our wide range of products, which includes steam and cold and hot and cold water mixing stations, industrial strength nozzles, swivel hose barb adapters, hot water hoses, along with replacement parts and accessories. SuperKlean customers say our products are the world's best at solving their industrial, plant, and factory sanitation needs. The FDA and other government regulators scrutinize these production industries to promote keeping factory floors, surfaces, and equipment in pristine sanitary condition. This helps to avoid pathogenic and bacterial growth that threaten plants and factories. From food and beverage processors, to pharmaceutical, to dairy, and to numerous other industries, no company helps accomplish exceptional sanitation like SuperKlean. SuperKlean understands how hard safety and maintenance managers work to keep their factories up and running, sometimes 24/7. With SuperKlean products, these managers can ensure a thorough, environmentally friendly hot water washdown process. Whether your factory uses steam or other various methods to heat water, SuperKlean hot water mixing stations are designed to be safe, efficient, and reliable. SuperKlean is the #1 choice in steam mixers. Our Duramix hot water stations ensure that steam never leaks into the hoses, potentially injuring employees or creating hazardous wet areas around the factory. Our extensive family of mixing stations, industrial strength nozzles, hot water hoses, and hose barb adapter products are specifically designed to be the safest and most durable. Please call us today for immediate technical assistance and experience renowned same-day shipment of our full line of industrial sanitation washdown equipment. Thank you for watching.